Hi guys, you are just watching Choco TV. So today I'm gonna review about the Angry Bird track series. You can see this track series, and this is the Angry Bird new series. So this is only for 3+ children. So this is the warning here backside of this box that under 3 years not allowed to play this game. So this is the Angry Bird roller coaster game. So today I'm gonna review this. Today I'm gonna unbox this game. So let's see what's inside this box. There is a ladder and there is 3 Angry Birds. So let's see what's inside the box. This is the only thing you can see. I think just keep it aside. You can see here there is 3 Angry Bird. And here is the card. I don't know how to fix this, but let's try. Looks like completely roller coaster. So here you can see on off button, and you can put 2 batteries. So let's see. So now I have got 3 tracks which I need to fix this. Like you can see here in this box how to fix this. Step 1, step 2, step 3 and 4, step 5 and 6. So it looks like this. So here is the turn off, turn on button, and it's made in China. So let's find out how to fix this. And you can see track stand, cardboard, track, and 3 birds. Here's the 3 birds. Let me just unbox this. Here's the 3 little Angry Bird. You can see. I hope you can guys see it properly. So let's see these 3 birds. There is a wheel down this Angry Birds.